shutter speed is too slow.
Yeah.
Every time I try to take a picture of Yo moving, he's out of the frame before it gets snapped. You gotta anticipate where they're going.
Yeah.
We have a big camera. It's a good one.
What are you guys doing? Go get him. Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah, I took him to Attleboro today. I had an appointment in Attleboro, and on the way home, he drank almost my whole cup of coffee.
Oh, nice.
He's ready to rock.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah, he's learned that coffee in buy-it kinds of cups are delicious stuff.
We're in Attleboro.
Oh, I had a doctor's appointment.
Trina had one in Attleboro too today for her wrist. The orthopedic guys.
For migraine.
Yeah.
That's what I had when the weather was colder, and I hadn't had them. What's up? Why aren't you chasing him?
He's listening to the pops in the background.
Yeah.
They sound like gunfire.
I reacted to him too.
What are you guys doing?